how to log in to your Instagram account step by step. If you already have an Instagram account and want to access it on your phone, all you need is your Instagram username, email address, or phone number along with your password. First, open the Instagram app on your device. On the login screen, you will see a field where you need to enter your account information. You can enter your username, email address, or mobile number linked to your Instagram account. After entering your username, type your Instagram password in the password field. Make sure your password is entered correctly to avoid login errors. Once you have entered your details, tap on the Login button. Wait for a few seconds while Instagram verifies your account information. If the details are correct, you will be successfully logged into your Instagram account. So that's how you can log into your Instagram account on your phone. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.